everyone, welcome to my channel Gosia Archon Cooking. Today I like to share with you great Polish Christmas recipe for little pierożki called Uszka, served with red beet soup. Uszka with stuffed with fresh and dry mushrooms, and I hope you enjoy. Now I'm making dough, flour, little bit water, boiling water, and I have to wait and cool down. Everything is cooled down. Now adding more warm water. Just mix everything. That's it, water and flour. It's a simple dough. When I make more dough, just add water and flour. The dough is done and it's nice and soft. And now I'm ready to make uszka with mushrooms, little pierożki. I soak dry mushrooms. Now I will cook for about 20 minutes to get the most flavor. I use the wild porcini mushrooms. To make a mini pierożki uszka with mushrooms, I use the fresh mushroom because I have just a little bit dry mushroom, suszone grzyby. The fresh mushroom works perfect. I'll cut the mushrooms in big pieces. A little bit onion, mushroom, onion chopped in very large pieces because I will grind everything. And just saute for a few minutes to get the most flavor. It will be perfect stuffing for my uszka. I cook dry mushrooms for a few minutes, and I cook mushroom and that looks like this. That will be a great addition for my uszka. Now we grind everything, mushrooms and onion. I have great helper today. Dziękuję bardzo. I just ground stuffing, mushroom stuffing with onion. Now I'm adding black pepper to taste, salt, mix everything, and great stuffing for my uszka. Nice mushroom flavor. I want to make it more spicy, more pepper, salt. Stuffing is so delicious. You fry mushrooms and onion together to give it this excellent flavor. The stuffing is done. Next part, I will make a little uszka. This is the way I make uszka. Just roll, cut, The Uszka supposed to be little. This. Just a little bit mushroom. And just press both sides nicely. Like this. And middle finger inside. And just press both sides. And you get nice little uszka. Let's go try another one. Make the circle. Just a little bit in the middle. And press. Sides together. A nice shape. And this is the uszka I made. Little cute uszka. Little pierożki. Looks beautiful in barszcz, red soup, beet soup. I finished making uszka. And now it's time to boil in a hot water with salt and oil. Boiling water with some salt. And a little bit oil. And now get cook my uszka. Now we have to wait till the uszka will go up and we'll be ready to serve. Takes no time, just a few minutes. I cook uszka on a high heat. Looks like the up, so I can remove them from the water. Looks beautiful. I wish you Merry Christmas and I hope you enjoy Christmas time. Życzę wszystkiego najlepszego, zdrowych i wesołych świąt, Bożego Narodzenia, Smacznego. Thank you so much for watching and please like, share and comment and maybe subscribe. Thank you so much. Smacznego. This is my proposition for uszka. We serve with the red beet soup called Barszcz.